Listen, gates, get back, that you might mix your tenga. I think I was some dance, so that is some kind of when I do lega. Come on, say,
I did last time.
Yeah, man, yo. What's off it intro, right?
Yeah, it's all right.
Italy.
Okay.
Sifir Majda, it's your boy. Possibly Bengal and today I'm out with my mother, like, yeah. We are out here, we're hiking and like, yeah.
Nature is calling us, you know.
We're doing the most. See, we're hiking and like, yeah, man. You see. And as you can see, guys, we have baboons. So like, please pray for our safety. We have baboons. You see, we have baboons. Yo, guys, I'm in the woods where like nobody can hear my screams. I don't know if you can see me right here. I'm in the woods where nobody can hear my screams. So like, hope I can make it. Hope I can make it out alive before like they steal me. I'm doing this vlog for you. You see. Outdoors and for mental health, like this content creator stuff is very stressful, guys. I'm very stressed with this. Marianne, we're going out, seeing nature, for mental health, so that we can all be grandy, and so that I can just like post for you boys and girls and kids and grandmas and mas, nangkai nonke abang bugelayo.
Photographer yami Tom.
Guys, we're busy working on rocks. So just pray that I really don't fall, because like I'm bound to fall. Yeah, we made it. I'm number one. Like I'm always number one, dog. Like everywhere, like. And I thank you, Fulani. I'm always number one. But like, yeah, we're just here outside. We're doing hiking shit. Please enjoy this vlog for you guys. See, I haven't posted like in a minute because like, you see, people in Fulani don't wanna post, don't wanna like shoot videos. But like, oh, what can I say? People in Fulham, they wanna shoot videos, guys. You see, so like, you not force people to shoot videos if they don't wanna. I'm just gonna delay my schedule. So like, I wanna do like I wanna react to videos. Yeah, they're on YouTube. I wanna start reacting to videos. See, I'm doing this vlog for you guys. Then I'm gonna start like reacting to videos. Like, people don't wanna shoot videos. So like, I wanna be alone. when I react to videos, they're like, yeah, man. Catch you on that side, guys. Bona na tunakanje. Lawan oi. Lawan. Ah, no bot. No. Ei. Jo. Ino. Eh? Kau sani? Eh? Kau sani? Ngawin sani? Ribawa ni ino.
Oh, pwede mo. Diba sa diba?
Eh? Kita guys. Oh. People are resting. People are resting.
Kemo wabazali. Lo ingwe. Kule tukutuku manenye lo publishe bila tukutuku. Hayi befana bakuthatha nabazali bona babhidana ikopi. Ikomiti zabhidana.
That's how this moves got under corner.
Honey?
This moves got under corner. But it's lap again. We are getting close to the waterfall, guys. Honey. We are getting close, I know. So be careful, Abo. Be careful. We are getting closer now, guys. Don't worry. Getting close to the waterfall. Ready? Oh. Yeah. Yes. Come on. Let's be careful, guys. Otherwise, you'll fall. We are there. We're on top of the waterfall because we never fall. Ah! Yeah! Did you hear that ball though? You hear that bar though? We are on top of the waterfall because we never fall. Leicester, lalela mamela, listen. Chelecha. Don't hold. We are on top of the waterfall because we never fall. It's the way a top dog is though. So like, you should be used to me though, cause like I'm a top dog though. I never fall. I'm on top of the waterfall. But like, I wish I could dive there. I wish I could dive in that water. Just have like a very long. You see that movie Apocalypto? I wish I could be that guy. Just jump from here, there, jump from there, then jump until go there. Wow, shua in the water. But like I don't think I'll ever do that because like I don't wanna die. You see, I'm still working on that best entertainer in the world thing. So like I don't wanna die, nigga. You see, I don't know, if it's the first time, I should have said it at the first, but if it's the first time here, please subscribe, like, hit the notification button to be notified every time I drop. You know, that's my catchphrase now. Hit the notification button to be notified every time I drop. Yeah, otherwise, please subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your grandmother to tell her friends, her Stokvel friends to subscribe. And then when you get to school, take all your friends' phone, then subscribe once. Then take your teacher's phone at school and subscribe. Take your whole family plus grandmother and subscribe. Subscribe. I've never hiked in my life. This is my first time hiking, so like we are still going up. We are still going higher. Yeah, we must still move forward.
Last time you see, so that's
Yo guys, sorry I couldn't like shoot when I was in like the water, but like I felt like 2 times, yeah. And look, I'm bleeding, Joe. All because I came here trying to do content for you. But you'll see, after this video drops, it's only gonna have 20 views and no subscribers. No subscribers, only 20 views. 20 views for this type of content. This deserves a blow up. I know gonna be parts where like my voice is faster than my action, but like, yeah, man. You already know, Mus. Yeah, man. It's a problem that I'm facing, but like, this deserves 100 likes and 45 new subscribers.